Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript array method. And in this tutorial we are going to learn array filter. As you can see in our array we have total 4 values 18, 13, 21 and 10. And now I want to search value according to conditions. And I want to extract those values who are in 18 otherwise greater than 18. For that we need to create a condition inside a function. And we need to pass the function inside this filter method. And it's going to return a new array whose age is 18 otherwise greater than 18. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how we can use this method. As you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. And as you can see, inside the script tag we already have an array. Also we have total 4 values in this array: 14, 17, 19 and 15. And also I'm going to change one of the value from this array. So here I'm going to type 22 and I'm going to save this file. And as you can see, we already have a function for condition adult, and I used this function many more times in our previous tutorials. So now let's use the function with this array edges dot filter, and inside the round braces we need to pass the function which is adult. And if I save this file, as you can see in my browser, as you can see, it's written a new array, and according to condition, 19 and 22 is greater than 18. That's why it's written these two values. In our previous method, it's written one value, otherwise index number. But using filter method, we can return all this value which is matched with this condition. So I hope now it's clear for you what is the usage of filter function. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.